Welcome our new box office heroes, the stars of 5 Breakups and a Romance, Alden Richards and Julia Montes.
Alam niyo po, grabe po yung kaba ko. Kung alam niyo lang. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Of course, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Speed, ng Eddies. Siyempre, ang aming director, Direk Irene, written and directed by Direk Irene po ang 5 Breakups and a Romance. And quick kwento lang po, wala po ako dito sa harapan ninyo.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang gabi.
Together with Eugene Assis, it's an honor to present the first Box Office Hero Award to one of the biggest Filipino movies of 2023. This movie about a vengeful virtual assistant premiered on September last year. It was directed by Peterson Vargas and produced by Star Cinema. Together with Miss Dolly De Leon, our box office hero is Catherine Bernardo in A Very Good Girl. On behalf of Catherine Bernardo, Tess Gubi will accept the award.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Tess po from Star Magic on behalf of Miss Catherine Bernardo, who's now working for an endorsement shoot. Maraming pong salamat sa bumubuo ng Speed, sa ating mga kaibigan na laging sumusuporta sa mga proyekto ng aming mga artista. Congratulations po sa successful event ngayong gabi. Salamat po.
Congratulations. Now to award the next box office heroes, we have with us ang nag-iisang Jerry Olea. Ang pelikulang 5 Breakups and a Romance ay kwento ng isang medical student at isang fashion designer na dumaraan sa mga pagsubok na ipaglaban na ang kanilang relasyon. It was written and directed by Irene Villamor and produced by Cornerstone Studios in partnership with GMA Films and Riyadh Entertainment Corporation. Let's all welcome.
Ito po yata yung unang award na natanggap ko sa movie. Kaya napaka-memorable po ng gabing ito sa akin. Hindi ko po ito magagawa kundi wala rin po si Kuya Mac, ang aking kaibigan na nagkumbinsa na kaya kong gawin itong role na ito. Sa Cornerstone, sa Myriad, sa GMA Films, Cornerstone family na pumus sa akin na gawin itong role na ito. Maraming salamat at sa lahat po ng bumubuo. Sobrang saglit lang po, gusto ko lang pong pasalamatan itong mga taong ito. Ang bumubuo po ng aming team. Supervising producer po namin, Miss Alma Medua, line producer Ava Yap, DOP, Tay Clamor, PD, Ferdy Abuel, editor namin, si Nards Torres, music by Len Calvo. Maraming salamat po, Sir Deo. Yung pangako ko po sa inyo, pasensya na medyo nahuli, pero para po ito sa inyo. At syempre, sa pinakamamahal ko pong pamilya, wala po ako dito kundi dahil sa inyo. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Lagi niyo po yung tatandaan. Good evening po ulit.
Congratulations. We are now joined by Ms. Tessa Mauricio to present the next award. The hauntingly brilliant film, Malyari, was an official entry at the 49th Metro Manila Film Festival. It tells the horrific story of Father Severino Malyari, a 19th century priest during the Spanish occupation who reportedly killed a grand total of 57 people. It was directed by Derek Cabrido and produced by Mentor Production with the partnership of Warner Brothers. Let's all welcome the headliner of Malyari, our new box office hero, Papa P himself, Piolo Pascual.
thank you to Eddies, and I'll never get used to this, so I'm really sorry. But I'd like to thank my producers, Mentor Productions, for coming up with this film. Brian, Sir Enrico Santos, our scriptwriter, and Derek Cabrito, Ate Rona, and lahat ng cast natin. Ron Angeles. Tsaka yung bumubuo po ng Mentor because napakaganda ng environment na meron kami when we were shooting last year. And this is enough testament for us to continue what we're doing. So, to God be the glory, of course. And thank you again, Eddies, for this recognition. Sana po patuloy lang tayong gumawa ng pelikula para mabuhay palagi ang pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Box Office Heroes Awards. With us are Dongdong Sermino and Miss Salve Asis. Oh God, this movie was the beacon of hope for Philippine cinema last December.
The 1 billion.
This film, Rewind, was an official entry at the 49th Metro Manila Film Festival and easily became the festival's top grosser. Sa direksyon ni May Cruz Alviar sa produksyon ng Star Cinema, pumukaw sa mga puso ng napakarami ang kwento nito with its compelling storytelling helped this film earn, wala lang naman, 1 billion pesos. In the box office, in the global box office, breaking the record of the highest grossing Filipino film of all time. It's our great honor to present the Eddies Box Office Heroes Awards to the lead stars of Rewind. Please welcome our box office heroes, Ding Dong Dantes and Marian Rivera.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat, sa bumubuo po ng Eddies. Magandang gabi sa mga kasamahan po namin sa industriya. Magandang gabi po. Sa tingin ko po, yung pelikulang Rewind ay habang buhay ng nakaukit sa puso ko at sa puso namin mag-asawa. Hindi lang po dahil sa napakagandang kwento ni Enrico Santos, kung hindi pati na rin dahil sa naging experience po namin sa buong pelikula, mula sa story conference, mula sa shooting, sa promotion, lahat. And I think higit sa lahat dahil din po lahat ng to'y nangyari kasama ko aking mahal sa buhay, ang aking misis. Kaya very, very memorable po. Kaya maraming salamat po sa pagkilala at sa alaalang ibibigay niyo to sa amin dahil forever po namin talaga itong tuwing nakikita namin, maalala mo na